Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Statesman newspaper Sudoku bus on September 16, 2023. 4-star Sudoku. Column B, column J, we have pair numbers 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come in these cells. It will come in one of these cells. First grid we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. Column B we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third row we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column D we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 7, 8. 10th row we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 7th grid we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column D we get 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th grid, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 9. 9th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column J we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 9th grid we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 10th row only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column J 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 8th row column D we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column C 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G 8th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row column E we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column G we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column G, 9th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 9th row 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. 9th grade, 8th row 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 8. It will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G 3 numbers are remaining 1 to 9. 5th grade we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then column G 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. 7th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E 7th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, 3rd row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 4th row column H we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 6th grade column F, column D we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, 5th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then first grade, only one numbers are remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 7. 7th row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell, it will be one of these cells, confirm later. Column D and fourth grade, only one numbers are remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column F, you can 9, so 9 can't come in this, so 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th grade, only one numbers are remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this, so 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th row, only one numbers are remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 6th grade and 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column of 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 4th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 2nd grade, column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 3rd row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.